Welcome to the beauty side of life where we talk everything hair. My name is Jay. I am a self-taught hairstylist, hair business owner, and hair lover. Before we get into the video, I would like to shed some light on my businesses. ChakeysArt is a hair service that I provide to my community, and a lifestyle style playground is my wig company. I'm currently working on an artistic wig collection with fire designs, and I can't wait to show y'all.
You can stay updated with both of my businesses by following social media above. Before we hop into the video, be sure to click the subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss an upload.
Okay, what's up, y'all? We doing the voiceover for Jay. Wait, what hairstyle you doing? I'm not supposed to know that either.
Nope.
Alright, we got the part going on. Alright, detangle. Don't watch that color, y'all. She gonna be dying that real soon. What product you using? What's that, Shea Moisture?
Cantu.
Alright. Cantu in
Not the
up
best.
them curls. Oh, we doing twists. My fault, y'all. Twists, not curls.
You know, my hands are moving mad fast. How long do you actually think this took, though?
Oh, you know I know it just took a minute. Real life.
Not the laptop dying.
Alright, we're in our second row too. I heard. This shit moving fast as fuck, boy. Oh, what you singing?
I don't know.
Get up on your big foot.
I probably was singing that.
Alright.
If they say what you do to one side, you gotta do to the other. Nah, this is really an arm workout.
What that shit was smelling like. I gotta go get some garbo.
The alien one.
Yo, y'all smoke hot grabber or alien grabber? Put that in the comments. Cause this alien head, is it alien head grabber? Yeah, alien grabber. It's that shit busting in the city that y'all heard. What you doing, micro twists?
Nah, I'm just detangling.
Okay.
I'm doing your favorite hairstyle.
That shit look cold.
It was. You know what happened? I was supposed to do that other hairstyle that I showed you, but my hair was too short. Like once I put the product and I went to stretch it, the little ponytail wasn't staying, so I didn't flip it out. It's like, damn, I gotta change my hairstyle.
Shit getting all in your eyes.
Look at my hair just shrinking out.
Real ones know about that shrinkage.
We dead do need to color my shit all over again. I'm just trying to figure out if I want to keep the same color or do a different color.
Checking out that style, see if we fuck with it. We fucking with it though. We fucking with it. Get them strays.
Yo, this one side of my head was not cooperating with me.
Them niggas was snapping.
That shoestring.
I already know the vibes.
That shoestring does wonders, bro. Love me a shoestring. I'm done with scrunchies.
Snatch. Tie you a little bow. Perfect. Yeah.
This is that's my favorite hairstyle
yeah,
now.
Big purrs. It's giving all the feels.
You did put me on. I love the way this. It shaped my face so nice. It fits my face.
It gives all vibes. All curls. Big puffs. Big puffs. Look at that. Puff it up. Gotta take those curls out now.
Yeah. And this is when I regretted putting them twists in. Gotta go back.
Look at your face. You're so over it. Beauty.
I'm like, yeah, it's time to put braids in. It's the fact that these hairstyles only last about 3 days. And then you gotta change it or fix it.
Yeah, keep recycling that puff.
I didn't even get to the bangs yet. I didn't even do my makeup yet. You know I went to the baby shower late. You know I did not get there on time. Oh, there we go.
Do your edges. Yeah,
Swoopity swoop, swoop, swoop. 1, 2, 3.
Get those waves going.
Who am I talking to? I'm trying to figure out who was here.
Yeah, waves on swim. Yeah.
I'm definitely talking to somebody.
Yeah, what the fuck is y'all talking about? And it's a done deal.
Yo.
Me.